Hi y'all, my name is Rebecca. Welcome if you are new. Welcome back if you are an old friend. This spring I have been on a mission to give my back porch a makeover. It has been on my list of things to do for a while now, and last fall I decided that this spring I was going to prioritize this area. The first thing I noticed when I started making my list of things to do was that the porch post needed to be painted. This was the only thing left in the original house color. The house had originally been sided, what we call in the Ozarks a clapboard siding. The clapboard siding is a wood that needs to be painted and sealed every couple of years, and woodpeckers can really do some serious damage. And since this vinyl siding and trim and windows have been installed, the trim is no longer blue, so I'm painting the porch posts white to match the other trim. We are having the most inclement springtime, so for most of this video I'm either working in the rain or hurrying to finish before the rain begins. I am faux gardening this year, so I am hanging Dollar Tree plant hangers on the post to hang my DIY boxwood hanging plants. I used the Valspar concrete porch and deck paint from Lowe's to paint my front porch. It is a great paint that can be mixed. I chose Western Brown because it coordinated with the color of the new roof and the vinyl siding, and since I loved my front porch so much, I decided to paint my back porch with the same paint. $30 is a very low cost way to dress up concrete. My porch is not very big, so I used a Dollar Tree paint roller set to roll the paint onto my porch. I finished painting and set up my DIY concrete faux boxwood planters just in time before the torrential rain started. I purchased this small metal outdoor table from Aldi about 10 years ago for $30, and I used some chairs that I bought at Walmart many moons ago. They were $6 a piece. That's how long I have had them, but they still function, so I keep using them. At first I put this floral in the top hanging plant, and then it occurred to me that it was going to slap against the head of whomever sat in the chair below it, so I moved it to the lower plant hanger. Other than myself and my mother, everyone else in my family is tall, so I have to check myself occasionally when it comes to height. When I was at Bailey's in North Judson, Indiana, I found this umbrella candelabra for $9.99. I put river rocks in the glass candle holders instead of candles, and faux succulents that I collected from a sale at Michael's and from the Dollar Tree. I have threatened for 2 years to venture into faux gardening, and this year I've embraced it. I'm putting the umbrella candelabra around the floralier that I DIY'd. I have a playlist if you want to see any of the DIYs that I'm using on the porch. While you're here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell so that you know when I've uploaded my next video. Hit the like button as well, and maybe even give this video a hype, because I'm always doing something, and whatever I do, I share with my friends. What I hope is that maybe you can find some inspiration in something that I do, and you get an idea to create something even more fantastic for yourself. I needed 2 things for this porch. I needed storage for my umbrella and cushions, as well as a TV stand. I did not want to hang the television and put holes in the siding, so I ordered this 96-gallon waterproof deck box off of Temu for $46. The box said to open with care and do not use scissors. However, it was so heavily taped that I did not have a choice, but I was really careful. It was so easy to put together. Basically, the sides and the bottom snapped together. Once it clicked, there was no coming back.
Been 2 weeks and nothing's changed. Close my eyes, I see your face. I'm so sick of all the thinking, all the sitting around and missing. Same old things don't numb the pain. I don't wanna go downtown, I don't wanna mess around. All I think about is your lips, your kiss. I don't and say, let's try this again. I wonder if you think of me. Did you move on that easily? I'm sure you picked up some new hobbies. For a minute you forgot me, but I'm at home remembering. I don't wanna go downtown, I don't wanna mess around. All I think about is your lips, your kiss. I don't wanna have a drink, have a random little fling. All I wanna do is show up at your place and say, let's try this again. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. Let's try this again. I don't wanna have a drink, have a random little fling. All I wanna do is show up at your place and say, I don't wanna go downtown, I don't wanna mess around. All I think about is your lips, your kiss. I don't wanna have a drink, have a random little fling. All I wanna do is show up at your place and say, let's try this again.
It is a very solid deck box. There is also a place in the front where you can install a lock if you wish. It will store my television, my cushions, and my umbrella, and it will give me a TV stand that is a great height. It's also big enough that I can use it for side dishes when we come out to the patio to eat. I added a few decorative pieces that I purchased last fall at the Dollar General for 70% off, and the porch leaners that I gave a little makeover to, and I have made my covered porch into a functional area on a budget. I used what I had and I DIY'd to give it a little refresh and make it into a space that is a little more attractive and appealing. Thanks ever so much for watching Crafts, Laughs, and Chaos, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.